Welcome to the 20th video on fundamentals of HTML for beginners, and this is the 20th video. I guess I've said that already. Anyway, today we are going to be adding audio to our web page. So adding audio is a new thing to HTML5. So before HTML5 there was no standard for playing audio files on the web page. So the HTML audio element specifies a standard for embedding audio in a web page. So this is the new feature of HTML5, and there are two ways to add audios to our web page. So let's start and kick to it. So first of all, we need to add the audio tag. So we have the audio tag and we put the source. So first of all, in order for this to work, you need to put the audio in the same folder as your HTML document. So where all your HTML documents are, like mine is in the lesson folder. I created it in the first video, so that is where all my HTML documents are. So it's very important to keep file management. So mine is in the lesson, and that's where I put the audio. So we put the source, and I named this as test.mp3. so it's mp3 format. So I put the controls, and after that I close the tag, then I close the audio tag also. So this is the easiest way to add audio to our web page. So let's save this. Before we save this, so let's just add this short note. Let's say audio element not supported by your browser. Alright, so that's it. So let's save this and run with Google Chrome. Yeah, so we have the audio, and you can see that it is supported. That is why this text does not show in the browser. So if we try this with Internet Explorer, yeah, so we have an error. Internet Explorer does not load mp3 file. So that is the basic problem with Internet Explorer. That is why it's very important to open it with Chrome. So let's just play this.
Hello, and this is the test audio from addictedtocoding.com.
So this is the test audio. So the other way to add audio to our web page will be adding the audio controls before the mp3 file. So let's delete all these and put the controls, audio controls, and we close the tag. And we can also add another source to our audio. In case the browser does not open the mp3, you should be able to open the other type. So I have saved this twice, so I'll say source equal to test.wave. so let's see if it's going to open. So we put the type equal to audio and wave, equal to audio and wave. Alright, so we have that, and we close it. So when we save this, let's launch it with Chrome. Let's first of all launch it with Chrome. So we have our audio, and if we play it, it still plays.
And this is the test audio from addictedtocoding.com. Hello, and
alright, that's enough. So let's try to open this with Internet Explorer and see if Internet Explorer will be able to open the wave format. So Internet Explorer does not support audio at all. So I guess this is Internet Explorer 8, so maybe it will be supported in 9. The other attribute of the audio element is what we are going to discuss right now, and it is called autoplay. So when the attribute is defined, audio starts immediately the page has been loaded without even asking for your permission. So let's just try that, and let's put auto play and save this. So if we run this right now, it will play automatically. So we can see that the audio played automatically for itself. So the other feature that we're going to talk about is the loop attribute. So I'm just going to Ctrl Z and get it to the previous one. So let's just add the loop, and yeah, loop. So if we save this and let's run this with our browser. Oh no, what's wrong? Launch with Chrome, Google Chrome. So if we play this, let me just reduce this volume. So if we play this, it's going to loop, like it's going to just be repeating for itself.
Hello, and this is the test audio from addictedtocoding.com. Hello, and this is the test audio from addictedtocoding.com. Hello, and this is the test audio from addictedtocoding.com. Hello, and
so we can see that the audio is just repeating for itself over and over and over and over again. So that is the attribute of the audio tag. So currently there are 3 types of supported file formats for the audio element. So we have the MP3, we have the WAV, and the OGG. So that will do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.